it's a tricky one and it's kind of backward question, but if you weren't a civil engineer, what career path would you have chosen?
I wanted to be a lawyer.
Lawyer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Corporate law. That's what I wanted.
Okay.
When I was young, before that influence here.
Okay. So, as we were about to conclude, right, on this first session, so what advice would you give someone considering a career in civil engineering? So let's just put it a double question. And then if you could change one thing about the industry, what would it be?
Okay, first of all, what advice would I give to someone? Civil engineering has more problem solving. You have to have an ability to identify problems. You have to have an ability to improve something. Identifying, improving, and implementing are three key skills someone should have. Civil engineering deals with people's lives. You need to be a thorough person. You need to go through everything again and again. Be it a design, be it a speech on site, be it ordering material. You need to do it twice, you need to do it 3 times. So if you someone doesn't go through stuff again, or you don't consult with your fellows, I don't think civil engineering would be good for that person.
Okay, so yes,
what I would change about the industry is the education system. I don't want to go around wanting to say the education level of Zimbabwe is equal. No. I think the way we were taught about something, if you see Zimbabwe, it's a growing economy, and people don't really go to work as much. If you have said it.
Okay.
I think institutions should invest in financial literacy, entrepreneurship skills, and also management skills. We have a tendency of, if you study medicine, you have to study medicine only. But we are not taking into consideration that this person is going to manage to save everyone. This person is going to own a consultancy company. So we should put all that into consideration. Also leveraging the technologies that other developed countries are using.
Okay.
So I think that's what we need.
Alright, so if you are someone who's considering to be an engineer, we heard that you have to be able to identify problems, improve, and then implement. Okay? Yeah. And also the education, that's a real question because, we're just given information, and sometimes it's not about, of course the information is vital, but it's also about, it's like being given fuel, right? You have a car, and you're given fuel, you're given everything for your car, right? But you don't know how to drive that vehicle from point 1 to point B. So we're given everything, information, the car is there, we go to university, they put the fuel, the data, we graduate. But it's also about driving the car.
The car example was really nice. You're told to drive an automatic.
Yes.
And then just after you drive, you're given a car, it's manual.
Okay.
You have the car, but you don't know how to operate it.
Yes.
Information you have it, but you don't know where to put it.
Yes.
You don't know how to implement it. You don't know how to express ideas to a team. You have to get the car and escape.
All right. Thank you so much. So this concludes our first session of our interview. So thank you so much.